Hi guys, most welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. And then we are going to start the video. In this tutorial, we will discuss that how to editing the shapes, layers in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, we discuss the point one is layers. First of all, go to the layer and then go to the vector mask and then edit the shapes. Like edit the shapes, layers, and then go to the layer and vector mask and then convert to the shapes, convert to shape layers. And then we discuss here the path operations like combine the shapes, and for this purpose control plus shift plus R for the window and command plus shift plus R is the shortcut key of the Mac. I hope